Hey, it's Derek Jones, and today I'm going to show you how to make a portable camp stove out of a cookie tin. Really simple. Fits right in your backpack. Perfect for a hike where you've got to have a contained fire. Very inexpensive using basic hand tools. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. This is super simple. I just want to make 6 marks, and they don't have to be exact. And we're going to drill these out, and we're going to use a 1/8 inch pilot drill first, and then we'll drill them out to 1/4 inch. And then on the sides, about every inch, again, doesn't have to be precise, we're going to do the same thing all the way around. And then we're just going to pilot drill them, and then we'll drill it out with a 1/4. The first thing we're going to do is mark 6 holes in a pattern like this. I'm going to use our drill to drill it out. Then we're going to do a about inch pattern all the way around. And then you're going to do this all the way around. Okay? You're just drilling all the way around. Okay, and then you get it all the way around. So we've drilled the 6 holes in the bottom. So now I'm going to switch to a 1/4 inch drill bit. And I'm going to come back through. So I've drilled those out to 1/4 inch. Now I'm going to do the same thing to all the vent holes on the side. You're going to drill it out all the way around, like so. Or we're just going to take some needle nose pliers, shove it in each hole, deburr it. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of our mesh and we're going to bend it down so that it fits inside here. And there's going to be some trimming involved to get this to fit. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just a piece of scrap that I had. You could use a smaller mesh, but all we're trying to do is get the air through. You're going to keep fitting it until you have a good fit. And again, this doesn't have to be perfect either. Once you get that in there like that, that's all you need. Doesn't have to be precise. And this just pulls out. Like so. We're going to take our mesh, we're going to fit it in our And there might be some trimming. Once you get it in, it should look like that. You're going to take your bolts, shove them through, put a washer, tighten it up. And you have this like this. And that's how it looks. It's that basic. Just that easy. And then when you're done, just undo your bolts. And you're good to go. It's kind of dark, but you can see it's boiling water, no problem. Really gets going, no problem. A nice little boil going there. Can't really see it, but it's definitely boiling. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Please give me a like or subscribe.